Hi guys. I don't know, I'm talking so quiet. Husband's home. Feels kind of awkward. Hey everybody, it's Chantel. Today we're going to be doing my Ipsy unbagging for May 2018. I haven't opened it yet. I've been very tempted. I sat there staring at it and I told my husband, I said, I want to just open it, but I want to do an unboxing. So I came in here and we're going to unbox. I'm not going to use that because it just peels open. Maybe. Oh, yeah, see. It peels right open. Okay. There's no card or anything in my bag. Normally, for some reason, they usually like put a card in that describes the box for this one. So, I guess we don't have that this time. And so this is what the back of it looks like, and it says Ipsy down here at the bottom. And it's kind of, I don't know, I guess it's kind of an orange color. Everyone kept saying it was like kind of a peach color, but I feel like it's got more orange to it. So anyways, this is the front of my bag. And the little tag, of course, says Ipsy. But then look at this side. I saw it's so cute. It has a little airplane on it. So I guess the theme really is just travel. And let's see what we have in my bag. Found it. The card. So this month is Go There. You see their little snapshots. And I'm not gonna read the back of it. It's too much. I'll read it later. Don't want to take up your time. Okay, so the first thing, and I got two of them, is Pure Heals by Nature Village Centella 65 Green Tea Pack. And I believe this is going to be a face mask. Yep, calming face masks. The next thing, yes! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I watched Alexandria Ryan's Ipsy versus Ipsy versus Ipsy this morning, and she got the Elizabeth Mott Color Pop Goes the Shadow in the Mermaid Teal. And I hadn't opened mine yet, and I was thinking, I want it, because I loved the color, and ta-da! So, this is what the package looks like. Go ahead and open it up and show you. It's so beautiful. And anybody who knows me knows that I just love blue colors. So we're just going to swatch it. And, oh, look at that. So, I'm super happy. Definitely got the eyeshadow that I wanted. I'm going to have to try this out today. I will post pictures or add a little clip at the end of my design that I created. The next thing that I got here is by Adesi. Somebody tell me how to pronounce this. I'm a terrible person. I can't pronounce things. Organic infused nail lacquer with a gel effect. So, does this say... it's not tested on animals, but it doesn't say the shade that it is. So let's go ahead and open it up and see if we can't figure this out. Ooh, I like this. Yes, look, it's so pretty. It's like a purpley blue shade, and it's slightly different than the shade that I currently have on my nails. So I know what I'm going to be doing later today. Okay. This is a moisturizer with microalgae in the scent lavender. And the back says, skincare so natural it's safe enough to eat. I don't know if I want to eat my skincare, but I guess I could if I wanted to. So this is what the front looks like. And it's got a little, alright. Oh, that's such a strong lavender scent. Like, I know it said lavender, but honestly, I was expecting a more subtle lavender scent. This is as if I just had a bunch of like lavender potpourri and shoved my face in it. That is how strong this is. I was trying to see if it was like a face moisturizer or just like a hand moisturizer, but I guess it's just a moisturizer in general. It came out with this weird green pigment to it, and I don't know if you can see that, but I felt like when I was first rubbing it in, it left this weird green film. It smells so strong. I'm not a fan of lavender. It's not tacky after it gets rubbed in, but you can definitely tell that there's kind of like a difference to it. Like you rub like this on your hand, it's fine, but you come over here and it feels like it's a little harder to run your hand across it, which I don't know if anybody else is bothered by that, but I don't like when my fingers are like that. But I didn't show you the color, so let me just get a little drop. And do you see it's kind of like a weird greenish clay color? And obviously that's going to be from the algae, but I wasn't expecting the color. So that was new for me too. And then our last product that we have in here, whoa. I wasn't expecting this color. So Alexandria Ryan, she got 2 of these because she did the Ipsy versus Ipsy versus Ipsy. And because she has 3 bags, she got 2 different shades. She got 3 lippies, but 2 different shades. And they were kind of neutral tones. So I was expecting, if I got a lippy, that it was going to be a neutral tone. And this is very bright. So it's the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, which I love NYX products. And it's, where is the shade? Right there. Ooh, Monte Carlo. So we'll just swatch this on the back of my hand, and then I'm gonna do a look later. I guess I'm just gonna have to do 2 different looks because blue and Monte Carlo aren't gonna go together. Like mermaid teal and Monte Carlo doesn't exactly go together, but we'll see. It's a lot that just came out on that. I feel like there's like a little dried up piece. Do you see this? Do you see that little piece right there? And I can't tell if that's part of the dipstick applicator brush thing. Nope, it's definitely not. It's part of the lips. So I don't know if that maybe is just like a dry formula, or if it's because it sat in my mailbox for 2 days in Texas. And okay, so it really wasn't that dried up. It just appeared to be dried up. But I mean, I guess we can kind of see finger swatches. Oh wow, that's very vibrant. You know what? Forget it. I'm just going to put it on my lips. So this is it on. I kind of excuse this area. I messed up putting it on because I was doing it fast. Normally I wouldn't put it on fast, but it slides on so smooth, and it's kind of creamy right now. It is supposed to be matte, so it's probably going to dry down a little bit, but it's got a very nice consistency. It wasn't as dark as I was anticipating, which is good because I kind of wanted something that was still going to be soft that I could wear, but also be very vibrant because it's not fall, so I don't want something that's going to be dark like the maroon shades, but it still is kind of, it's very red and bright. So I like it. It's probably going to be a good date night shade. So that's going to be it for my Ipsy unboxing today. That was the 5 products. I'll go ahead and I'll attach a picture of my look using this eyeshadow. Obviously, I'm going to switch out my lipstick because nobody wants to see these 2 colors together on a face. It's just clashing. My next video, I think, is going to be my Google Chooses My Makeup Challenge. I already have it filmed, I just need to edit it. So I will see you guys in that video. Bye! Hi again, everybody. This is my completed look. I did go ahead and I added some color from my BH Cosmetics palette. As you can see, I have the mermaid teal. And then in my crease and on my outer corner, I do have a darker color. That's from my BH Cosmetics palette. So this is my completed look. Like I said, I did go ahead and I changed out my eye color, or not my eye color, my lip color, just because I feel like the Monte Carlo really doesn't go with this shade of blue. So that is going to be everything for this video. That's going to be it for today. If you're interested in an Ipsy bag, I will link down below my referral code. Right now, there are no waiting lists for Ipsy bag. It's $9.99 a month. After taxes, it's $10 and some change. You get 5 products every month. Sometimes they send you double face masks, so it's like face masks. So it's as if you're getting 6 products. I will go ahead and I will link Alexandria Ryan's video down below since I did mention her. If you guys like the look that I've done today with this eyeshadow and you want to see how I create this look, please like and comment below and I'll get that video up. If you want, you can follow me on Instagram at C⁻3. I will insert that in here, probably right up there. And you can also follow me on Twitter at ChantelMarie92. And again, please just like, comment, subscribe. If there's any videos you want to see in the future, please let me know. And bye, guys. Hi again, everybody. This is my completed look. I did go ahead and I added some color from my BH Cosmetics palette. As you can see, I have the mermaid teal. And then in my crease and on my outer corner, I do have a darker color. That's from my BH Cosmetics palette. So this is my completed look. Like I said, I did go ahead and I changed out my eye color, or not my eye color, my lip color, just because I feel like the Monte Carlo really doesn't go with this shade of blue.